Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. Today I'd like to show you how easy it is to replace your porch light. First, remove the lens cover by pushing up on the bottom and pulling downwards. Next, remove the 4 mounting bolts. Gently pull the lamp off the camper. And expose the wiring. We will reuse this wiring, so cut these connections close to the old lamp. Use a wire stripper to cut some of the insulation off. And twist the ends of the wires. Install a wire connector. With your new porch light, hook up the black wire to black and the white to white. Feed the wires back through and reinstall your mounting screws. And reinstall your lens.